Good afternoon. What do we have? Tesla. Why? Because the traders are all excited about the overvalued price that Tesla has rallied. We called the big breakout back here. It's right here. It's on turbooptiontrading.com. Tesla is. Yes. All the plays. This is the place you want to be because this is going to help you establish your entry exits. We got earnings season coming. Oh, yes, volatility is coming. Take a look at Tesla testing the 10-day simple moving average. That's right. Not only that, we went short Tesla. We put it out there and we did. The high was 271. At that moment in time, when it was at 271, if you look here on the put options, we went right to the 270 put on Tesla intraday. Here are the price ranges right here, right now. We can clearly see them, and we understand that by looking at this particular chart, which is a 270 put chart on Tesla with overwhelming volatility, both for the bull, both for the bear, doesn't matter. But right now, this trade is working. And when we go back to the Tesla chart, we take a look at this great rally, ascending base. Look, it comes up, makes the all-time high right here, starting with negative volume. That's when you had the trigger. It triggered you to sell it and let it go down. 10 days simple moving average. Oh, yeah, that's at 240.47. That's exactly what that says. Sign up for that free 5-day trial. Don't you hesitate. Get on our account program. Let us make you money. You can't lose. You can only gain. Yeah, it's free. Sign up. Right here. Tesla, daily chart. Let's get busy with the options. I've already talked about the 270 put. Yes, I have. That's this one right here. The low was $21. The high was $37. Last print was $23.69. There's still time for you to get in on this price level. And there is. Don't be fooled. Tesla.